Yeah, come to Scotland, he said. Let's get loads of footage. Let's battle the elements for a week to try and get footage of dolphins and Isle of Skye and Loch Ness and, you know, Nessie bringing me a sandwich. But it only brings me a sandwich because I'm the only one that knows where he is.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, he lives in a flat, really.
Well, that's fine. I'm going to turn into
What, underwater flat or, you know, or
No, up on
normal flat? Oh, okay.
Yeah. You know, he just trundles down the hill every day to, you know, make a slight appearance to keep everyone interested. And then he goes home, smokes 20 fags a day and, you know, sits on his glory. He makes commission out of all the gift shops, you see, so he's actually minted. And then it stops.
Yeah.
You see, when you're not using stupidly expensive equipment, that would not be a pain in the ass. But when you want to get the drone up in the air and not ruin it,
Well, it seems to have cleared the sky though, from what it was.
it just depends on if it's cleared Fort Augusta side. Yeah, because we're coming up to Loch End, which is the side nearest to Inverness. And then we've got 23 miles to the other side.
Oh, it's raining again.
Can't even see the drone from here.
Yeah, it's starting to rain again.
Oh no.
Urquhart. Urquharton Castle.
Didn't say the car park's full, it said that yesterday. We've gone from nice blue
Yeah.
to rain again.
So it went from all right to rain to stopping the car to setting up the drone to it rain to jump back in the car with the drone still set up in the boot down to just the next lay-by where it stops raining, then I get the footage. Then we get back in the car, carry on driving, and now it's raining again.
Let me get this, yeah. Wow. starting to brighten up again, slowly.
Being a cameraman sucks. Yeah. You're now camera woman, you've been hired. You're camera woman, I'm drone pilot.
It's a bit misty over there though.
Yeah, that's because it's pissing it down.
Trees.
It's like Loch Ness is so long, it's got like 4 different weather systems across the whole of it. 23 miles of am I filming? Am I not filming? Am I filming? Am I not filming? Am I filming? And then the sun comes out again. It's Nessie, isn't it? It's got like a light switch. Got some great footage of the Highlands. Right in the middle of nowhere, there was a tree. A large tree. And a wee bit of rain to water that tree. Yeah. It's the whole, this is what the Highlands is. This is why the trees are so big.
Why everything's so green, they might rain again.
Yeah. They get plenty of first quenching water. Jesus.
Oh,
I'm floating.
where?
Thank God we got.
Well, is it slowing down now?
Yeah, what is with that? It's always like Scotland rain where it'll be like really, really heavy, and then in the snap of a finger, it's gone. That's mental. And then we got traffic lights. What's that? Is that dam?
Yeah, I can't really see it now.
Oh, that's right. We can move on. Ah. Wait, isn't there a bridge around here? It's unmarked, isn't it?
Whoa.
These roads are awesome. Go on, you big bastard. What? I'll put the bleep word on it. So where should we put her on Sky? Sunny on that beach there, and then you look just down the loch. Cloud. That's going to be thick as well. or do the Highlands mountains make any other mountain just fucking tiny?
Yeah.
Makes Caradoc look like a pimple.
Wait, Caradoc.
Oh, does car go to stop?
Probably shit himself.
Still on a 60.
Which one's Caradoc?
No, Caradoc's the one that we climbed in Shropshire. Yeah, that thing was only 480 metres. These are over double the size of it. These are massive. With average temperatures of -1 at the top.
And that one.
But if this blue MG doesn't hurry the hell up, I may have to get out and walk faster than it. Look at that. You'd have to make sure you were wearing your brown pants climbing that.
Are you wearing your brown pants?
No, I'm gonna have to. Someone gonna overtake this blue thing? Or am I gonna have to overtake it through?
There's too many bends though. Well, this blue MG should really pull over because now more cars are appearing behind it.
That's the other car behind us.
Imagine wild camping out here.
Then you wake up in the middle of the night, there's a goat eating you.
Or a boar. Just mauling you.
You're gonna get all that on camera of you going over white lines.
Thanks for stating it. For audio, dude, it's alright, I'll take the audio
They
out.
could probably hear it anyway.
Well, no, I'll take the audio out, won't I? Not that they much care. See, look at that. Perfect little view just to fly the drone over. But it is saying it.
Hmm?
Yeah, this is still some just travelling footage that I'm just throwing together because I got a lot of footage. Like way too much footage. So I was supposed to be editing the fairy pools, but there's that many videos before it. I thought, oh, it's gonna kill the memory on my laptop creating this. So I've decided to do the travel as just like a separate like outtakes and yeah, and just putting this voice note in because I had to take the audio out of this segment because it was playing copyright music. But yeah, look at those mountains. Love the place.
Or you could just mute the sound and play it differently.
Play me going. Oh, you're recording? Hello.
With your lovely singing.
Yeah.
I think that was
Clear in my throat.
That got me.
You know, Donald Duck was in the car.
So is it fate that because it's cleared up and there is a certain castle at the end of here, will there be a lay-by near it?
You don't know.
I can't remember what the name of that town was. Oh. Balmacara? Was that it?
Satnav doesn't even tell us.
No, I'm looking further ahead.
Oh.
Balmacara? That sounds familiar. It was just before Sky Bridge, wasn't it?
Mm.
So, yeah, I think it was Balmacara that we stopped at. There it is.
Keep bashing this.
Bastard. Look right in front. Now.
Oh yeah.
That is a castle. I see.
That is the castle that was used in the music video that we was
the
to the
music,
song
yeah.
that we just listened to.
They're going to. They get that picture.
Yeah, the fight song, the one that had the bagpipes in it. They came over from America and did the music video to it in that castle.
Are people allowed in the castle?
You are, but it's privately owned.
So do you have to like ask them for permission?
Well, you have to kind of, yeah, you're not supposed to film it, I'm guessing.
Mm.
But yeah, if there was a place that I could kind of stop just to pull the drone out.
You probably
shoot the
could have
drone
up
out.
there, but there was a lot of
No,
people
there's
there.
a lot of people.
So I mean,